Let's be real for a second. Smartphones have become kind of boring. They're all just fragile slabs of glass that look exactly the same, tucked away in $50 plastic cases because we're terrified of a 3-foot drop. But do you remember when a phone was a statement? When that specific click 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 sound meant business was getting done? Well, stop scrolling, because the king is officially coming out of retirement. Forget the nostalgia trips, this isn't a museum piece. This is the BlackBerry Key 3 5G. We are talking about a device that wants to take the modern smartphone rulebook and throw it out the window. It's got the looks of a CEO and the power of a gaming PC. Is this the device that finally makes us ditch our touchscreens? Let's dive deep. Design and display. First things first. The build. In a world where you drop your phone once, and it costs $300 to fix the back glass, BlackBerry is bringing back that legendary rubberized texture. This thing is grippy, it feels premium, and most importantly, it feels secure. You don't need a case for this. It is the case. Now, I know what you're thinking. If there's a keyboard, the screen must be tiny, right? Wrong. They've engineered a bezel-less design that fits a gorgeous 5.54-inch AMOLED display. And they didn't cheap out on the panel either. We are looking at a 120Hz refresh rate. So, whether you're doom scrolling or watching Netflix, it's going to be buttery smooth. It's the perfect hybrid of tactile productivity and modern media consumption. Camera setup. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. BlackBerry cameras used to be, well, let's just say potato quality. But the Titan Pro 5G is rewriting that narrative. We're getting a massive 108-megapixel main sensor with OIS. Optical image stabilization is huge here. It means crisp shots even if you're snapping pics while rushing to a meeting. It's paired with an 8-megapixel telephoto lens for portraits, and a sharp 32-megapixel punch-hole selfie camera. Is it going to beat a $1,400 Ultra flagship? Maybe not, but for this form factor, it's a massive glow-up. Performance. But let's look under the hood. Usually, keyboard phones have weak processors. Not this time. The Titan Pro 5G is rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. That is a top-tier, mid-range beast. This isn't just an email machine. You can throw heavy games at it, edit 4K video, or multitask with 50 tabs open. This chipset will chew through it all without breaking a sweat. And because it's a BlackBerry, it's basically Fort Knox in your pocket. You get hardware-level encryption with DTEK security. In an age where data privacy is a joke, this phone is actually taking it seriously. Battery backup. Now, for my favorite part. The battery. Because you aren't powering a massive 7-inch tablet screen, and you have a huge 6000 mAh battery, the endurance on this thing is going to be insane. We are talking legitimate 2-day battery life. And when you do finally hit zero, the included 50-watt super fast charger gets you back in the game in minutes. Price and launch date. So, when can you get it, and how much is it going to hurt your wallet? Leaks point to a global launch around mid-2026. But here is the kicker. The price. Analysts are predicting a price tag between $450 and $500. That is aggressive. That is flagship killer territory.